What's going on to all my friends on Facebook and Instagram and my YouTube fans? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to wish a happy Easter to all my friends on Facebook, Instagram, and my YouTube fans. Yeah, it's been a tough month, you know. So it's all good. So anyway, we just want to wish everybody a happy Easter. Yeah, see Lieutenant Panther up there. He's all combed up. He's looking perfect. Yeah, we had a problem with our phone, so we're gonna redo it again. So yes, he's got his beer up there and whatnot. He's professionally combed. Today's video is sponsored by Strap Hangers Bar and Grill, 126 Anderson Street, Hackensack, New Jersey. They're open from Monday through Saturday from 11 a.m. and they close at 2 a.m. And on the Sunday, Blue Law, they open at 12 o'clock and they close at 2 a.m. Check out their beer and drink specials every day at the station house. Okay, so let's get back to the video. And we just want to appreciate, we want to give out a shout out to the new subscribers, 2 new subscribers who just just subscribe to the channel. We just want to welcome you. Welcome to the Thoughts of a Rat Bastard with Lieutenant Panther, and we really appreciate you guys coming on board to the channel. And thank you to all my OC subscribers who's been with us for this whole time. We appreciate you too. So, Thoughts of a Rat Bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Our thoughts on all of our OG subscribers, and people keep asking us why we keep washing our trucks. Yeah, this also goes out, a big shout out to Kenny. Yeah, we want to make sure our trucks are always clean. Okay, it's something that we have. You know, when you drive something nice, you want it to be always clean inside and out. Yes, we're OCD. Even if the engine is dirty, you gotta go and get it detailed. You gotta get if the engine compartment is dirty. Yes, that drives me crazy. I don't know about anybody else. Maybe Kenny would that probably drive you crazy. If the engine compartment in your Jeep is dirty, it's got to be clean. It's got to be perfect. Yeah. Everybody's like, oh, what the fuck? Are you guys always cleaning your trucks all the time? Well, we're going to let you know on a little secret there, ladies and gentlemen. One, if you suffer from allergies like I do from pollen or freshly cut grass, that's the reason why I'm always cleaning my truck. On 2, I like to have everything clean. I have to have everything in order. Okay? My uniforms have to be perfect. Perfect. So, for all you guys, for you new subscribers who's new to the channel, we're going to explain to you how OCD Lieutenant Panther and I are. Okay. My uniform shirt has to be perfect. Perfect. Clean. See? Clean. Check that out. Clean, pressed, has to be perfect. Perfect. If something is wrong with this and it doesn't meet my standards or Lieutenant Panther's standards, take it off the clothes hanger, throw it back in the wash, make sure it's ironed and pressed perfectly. OCD, see, look at the patch right there. My patch on my uniform, it's perfect. Perfect. This is what OCD is. Yeah. Never forget 9/11, September 2001. God bless America. Yes, it's got to be perfect like it is. That is that's how Lieutenant Panther and I are. If you look at Lieutenant Panther right now, as you can see, he's perfectly combed. His paws, his belly, his tail, his ears, his mouth, his nose. He's combed perfectly. Just like my mustache. Combed perfectly. It has to pass inspection. My head, it's got to be, well, I don't have any hair, but it's got to be perfect. Perfect. That is the reason why that I'm OCD. Here we go with the hiccups. Oh, I hate that. Oh, do I hate that hate this shit. Yeah. So anyway. Oh. Shit. Okay. Yeah. Whatever. Whole friggin' something going down on the ridge. Yeah. I'm not fighting fires anymore, So anyway, that's getting back to the situation. Yes. A big shout out to Kenny. Kenny and I know how important it is to keep your truck clean. Especially when it comes to if you're allergic to pollen or freshly cut grass. Yes. Okay, yeah, my clean bill for my trucks, besides my cleaning bill when it comes to my uniforms, yes, that is murder. That's double murder. Every year, everything's got to be perfect. Okay? And being that I was in the fire department, yes, I am OCD. Have to make sure that all the brass is nice and clean and shiny. Everybody's like, hey, Will, you're going to fucking scrub. The more you clean your truck, you're going to scrub the fucking paint and the clear coat off your truck. Well, guess what? When was the last time you got your truck or car clean, for that matter? Inside and out. Or when was the last time you got it serviced at the dealership? Both of my trucks are cleaned weekly. Both of my trucks are serviced at the dealer. OEM parts. Fuck. Especially when it comes to this panther right here. He wants everything to be perfect. Just like I do. And I know that a lot of you have been asking me, how did Lieutenant Panther came into my life? Well, I'm gonna let you know a little secret. So now we're getting off course on this. This video is a little bit around, off course, let's say. See this Panther right here. When I had my Ford Fusion, and when my uncle used to drive, who has been suffering from cancer, he had a black Ford Fusion, and he he drove around with Lieutenant Panther in the back of his car. So anyway, one day we used to work for a Ford dealership, and I ended up getting a black Ford Fusion. It was a 2016 Ford Fusion, and one day I just coming into my driveway, I ended up I unlocked my door, and then it scared the hell out of me. I was open up the back door, I see Lieutenant Panther sitting in the back seat of my Ford Fusion. And my uncle says, well, I just wanted to give you a present because you got a Ford Fusion at the same color. And I'm like, okay, thank you. And he came down with cancer a second time. He's 75 years old. God bless him. And every single time, we do a video, it reminds me of my uncle. So it means a lot to me. So everybody's like, oh, what is that, a dog? No, Lieutenant Panther, let's get everything straight. Lieutenant Panther is not a dog. He's a panther. He's a stuffed panther. Okay? It was my uncle's panther because he loves panthers as much as I do. And when I got my Ford, getting back to what I was saying, when I got my 2016 Ford Fusion, when I leased it, it was black. We both had black Fusions at the time, and that's how Lieutenant Panther became part of my family, and Lieutenant Panther became part of the YouTube family. So, for all you idiots out there, you're thinking that he is a dog, take a good hard look. Does that face look like a dog? No, it's a panther. Lieutenant, it's a panther. Lieutenant Panther. Okay? So, that's a short story on how I inquired that I have this is Lieutenant Panther, part of the YouTube channel. So, and Lieutenant Panther has been to the station house, and everybody loves him, and everybody, all of our fans, Be like, where's Lieutenant Panther? Where's Lieutenant Panther? Yeah, he's right here. Yes, when COVID hit, he's been sitting up here for the last 3 years. You know, he's getting himself motivated to go back out into the field with me. And, and on April 17th, Lieutenant Panther and I is going back. He's going back on patrol. He's going back with me riding in the truck. You know, the most beautiful, clean truck on the face of this earth that you could eat off of the paint. Yes, he does. Yes, he matches the interior of my truck on both of my trucks. So it's okay. So anyway, to just let you know, I have OCD. Yes, yeah, everybody's like, oh my God, yeah. My dry cleaning bill is murder, and my truck washing cleaning bills are murder, along when I have to go to the fucking gas pump every time that the fucking gas keeps going up and up and up and up. But when this is not this is not a political politics channel. Political channel. You know, it's not about politics. It's all about having fun. And what I really have to say, like Lieutenant Panther. So anyway, for all you idiots out there who always complain, you can't see out your windows, oh my God, and you guys got to make fun of us guys, like Kenny and myself, who always keeps our trucks clean, to all of our people that are out there who's OCD, keeping their cars and their trucks clean. And truck drivers, yes, Kenny was a truck driver when he used to drive trucks, just like I did. I had my tractor. My tractor was always clean to the perfection, inside and out. Okay, but it's all good. So I'm tired. Lieutenant Panther is tired. He wants to go to sleep. He wants to enjoy this last coming week on vacation. When he goes back on Monday, April 17th, he wants to go back into on patrol. So I want to make sure that he is very well rested. Yeah, he's been sitting up here. He's been over rested for the last 3 years when COVID hit. You know, oh. 3 o'clock in the morning, the alarm goes off. He's going to get his ass off of this refrigerator, and he's going to get together with me, and we're going to get dressed. I'm going to get dressed, put him underneath my arm, walk his ass downstairs, outside, in the truck, put him in the back seat, and yeah, that will be the thumbnail when Lieutenant Panther goes back on patrol. April 17th. It's going to be on Instagram. It's also going to be on Facebook. Yeah. Us functioning alcoholics. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway. I'm just... Lieutenant Panther and I are going to close this video out. And we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making this video for you. Please check the video out. If you're new to the channel, and if you haven't already, please share the Anyway, share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And if you are who's subscribed to the channel, who's not having subscribed to the channel, if you want to, please subscribe. And Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next one. Make sure you turn those bell notifications on every single time that Lieutenant Panther and I drop a video. And Lieutenant Panther and I appreciate the love and the support. Yes, everybody's been asking about merch. So anyway, I'm reaching out to all my fans, our fans. And everybody's asking about merch. Anybody who wants to participate on getting a merch line started between Lieutenant Panther and I will be greatly appreciated. Please drop your comments down below. Let us know what you think, because we really want to. Everybody would love to have a picture of, a t-shirt of Lieutenant Panther and, something. A t-shirt, anything from merch. Please let us know down in the comments down below. And be safe. Be safe. Be safe. Stay alert and stay alive, my friends. And we all will catch you on the next one. God bless. Take care, folks. Like we say, leave a comment down below, because I am really wanting to get some merch together and changing this channel over, besides my first and last name, my my handle, Thoughts of a Rat Bastard with Lieutenant Panther. So anybody who knows how to do that, changing over from, people who want to subscribe to the channel, we have to use our handle. And we want to switch it over to our handle instead of my first and last name. And we want to get some merch together, and we want to make this channel get bigger and better. And like I said, leave a comment down below. What do you want for this channel? What do you think? Give us your thoughts on what is the next video should we do, or drop a comment down below. There's something that bothered you, that you want a video made out of, so we can put it out on the channel. Please feel free. Smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you already have been subscribed, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications when we drop another video, and Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next one. Be safe, everybody. Be safe, be alert, stay alive. Oh!